has likely been customized more than any other sneaker in history since triple wide is always accessible. In our context, that includes a large number of imitations with prints by Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and maybe most frequently, Burberry. An Air Force One with a checkered design evoking the British fashion brand is being released by Nike, officially stamping a style that is frequently imitated. A bespoke gold-laced dubrae with a red swoosh and a blue and tan plaid design complements the upper's brown plaid quarter. The tongue branding uses red stenciling, while the backtab has outlined Nike letters in a collegiate font. Zooming in, the sneaker has white laces that are a little thinner and smoother than normal. Modern sail lands on the remaining panels, while white leather is used for the swoosh and backtab. There is currently no official release date or MSRP for the brown plaid Air Force One, but we will update this post as soon as pairs are made available online.